Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will walk you through the process of restricting Google search on your Android device. Whether you want to make your search results safer for kids, or simply prefer to limit the information that Google can show you, this tutorial will guide you through every step. Step 1. Open Google Settings first, unlock your Android device and navigate to the Settings app. Scroll down to find Google, or simply search for Google in the search bar at the top of the Settings menu. Tap on it to open Google Settings. Step 2. Go to Search Settings in the Google Settings menu, look for the Search section and tap on it. This will open your search preferences, where you can manage the way Google Search works on your device. Step 3. Open SafeSearch settings within the Search settings, find the SafeSearch option. SafeSearch is a feature that helps filter explicit content from Google search results, making it ideal for creating a safer browsing experience. Toggle the switch to enable SafeSearch. Step 4. Adjust additional search filters optional. If you want further restrictions, scroll down to find other search filters like Personalized Search and Search History. You can choose to turn off Search History to stop Google from tracking your searches, or adjust the personalization settings to limit the results that Google tailors based on your interests. Step 5. Set up a Google Family Link account for parents. If you are setting up restrictions for a child, consider using Google Family Link. Download the Family Link app from the Play Store and follow the setup instructions to link your child's Google account. This allows you to set more comprehensive restrictions on their search activity and online access. Step 6. Enable SafeSearch on Google Chrome, optional. In addition to Google's general search settings, you can also enable SafeSearch on Google Chrome. Open Chrome. Tap the three dots in the top right corner, then go to Settings. From there, tap Privacy and toggle on Safe Browsing to keep your browsing experience more secure. Step 7. Review your device's app permissions. Finally, it's a good idea to periodically review your device's app permissions. Go to Settings, then Apps and Notifications, and check which apps have access to your Google account or search data. Disable permissions for apps you don't trust or use regularly. Now you've restricted Google search on your Android device, making it safer and more tailored to your needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.